In today's technologically driven world, terms like artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning or ML have become commonplace. While these two concepts are closely related, they are not interchangeable. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are distinct domains with unique characteristics and applications. Today in Software Slam, we will delve into the core differences that set AI and machine learning apart, shedding light on their respective roles in shaping our present and future. Artificial intelligence is a broad discipline that aims to create intelligent systems capable of mimicking human-like cognitive abilities. The ultimate goal of AI is to develop machines that can reason, learn, perceive, and make decisions autonomously. AI encompasses a wide array of technologies from rule-based systems and expert systems to natural language processing and computer vision. These systems can be rule-based, where predefined rules dictate their responses, or they can be more advanced and adaptive, using machine learning as a crucial component. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a subset of AI that revolves around empowering machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms enable computers to identify patterns, extract insights, and improve their performance over time. The core principle of machine learning is based on training models on vast datasets to make predictions and decisions based on the new, unseen data. It is this iterative learning process that sets machine learning apart from traditional AI systems. While machine learning is a key component of artificial intelligence, AI is not solely dependent on machine learning. In fact, machine learning is just one approach to achieving AI's broader goals. AI encompasses a spectrum of techniques, including expert systems, knowledge representations, planning, reasoning, and more. While some AI systems may use machine learning for certain tasks, others may rely on predefined rules and logical reasoning. The scope of applications for AI and machine learning also sets them apart. AI's applications are vast and encompass numerous domains such as robotics, natural language processing, computer vision, expert systems, and autonomous vehicles. Machine learning, on the other hand, finds extensive use in data analytics, recommendation systems, fraud detection, image and speech recognition, and even in game-playing AI such as the famous AlphaGo. The fundamental learning approach distinguishes AI and machine learning. In AI systems without machine learning, rules and knowledge are handcrafted and explicitly programmed by human experts. These systems follow predefined instructions and lack the ability to adapt to new situations without further human intervention. In contrast, machine learning models learn from experience and data, adjusting their internal parameters to optimize performance as they encounter new examples. AI and machine learning also differ significantly in terms of human involvement. Traditional AI systems often require extensive human effort to create and maintain complex rule sets, making them time-consuming and resource-intensive. On the other hand, machine learning models, once trained, can autonomously generalize and apply their learning to new data, reducing the need for constant human intervention. In summary, artificial intelligence and machine learning are two distinct yet interconnected concepts. Artificial intelligence encompasses a wide range of techniques, including machine learning, to create intelligent systems capable of human-like cognition. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a subset of AI that enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance iteratively. While AI has a broader scope of application, machine learning excels in areas where pattern recognition, prediction, and decision-making based on data are paramount. Together, these domains continue to revolutionize various industries and pave the way for a future that embraces intelligent machines with unprecedented capabilities.